Hello students, welcome to my educational channel enGmaT Academy 2.0. In this video, I have solved an exercise on voice change taken from Ray and Martin English question bank. So, without much ado, let's start. Okay. Voice change with detransitive verbs. Change the following sentences from active voice to passive voice. Number 1. Trees give us oxygen. Answer. We are given oxygen by trees. Number 2. The teacher taught them French. Answer. They were taught French by the teacher. Number 3. We should give him a chance. Answer. He should be given a chance by us. Number 4. Mosomi gave her friend a gift. Answer. A gift was given to her friend by Mosomi. Number 5. I will tell you the story. Answer. You will be told the story by me. Number 6. Suresh gave him a nice present. Answer. He was given a nice present by Suresh. Next page. Change the following sentences from passive voice to active voice. Number 1. A story book was given to me by my uncle. Answer. My uncle gave me a story book. Number 2. We were given some advice by the teacher. Answer. The teacher gave us some advice. Number 3. She was taught to be punctual by her parents. Answer. Her parents taught her to be punctual. Number 4. A cup of tea had been offered to me by you. Answer. You had offered me a cup of tea. Number 5. I was lent money by my friend. My friend lent me money. Okay.